Super Brain Yoga is a simple, easy, and a fast way to increase our mental energy. I always tell this to all my leaders, all my champions. Everybody, don't leave your home without it. It's amazing exercise. You want to get your day productive, want to get your mental energy high, be sharp, have the focus and concentration. There is nothing better than Super Brain Yoga. Step number 1 is also proof and an evidence that Super Brain Yoga works. Take your hand, keep it on your forehead, and just have a mental note. What is the temperature? How warm it feels. And when you're done, this will be the last step. Check the temperature again, and you will be surprised that it will be much more warmer. Your forehead would have become much more hot. So let's get started. Step number 2, face east direction. East is where the sun rises, and when we do this in this direction, you get the maximum from this exercise. Step number 3, left hand, right ear, right hand, left ear. It has been said our brain is divided into 2 parts, the left as well as the right, and when we use our left hand and pinch our right ear lobe, we are actually activating our left head, left part of our brain. And when we do the same with the right hand, left ear lobe, we are actually activating our right brain. So they say we have numerous nerves, I believe millions of nerves in our ears, and when we squeeze it, please remember, we need to squeeze our ear. Just holding it gently does not do the work. It should not be squeezed so badly that you should end up in a lot of pain. A little bit of pain is enough for it to activate. So left hand, right ear, right hand, left ear, squeeze it nicely. Yes. Please remember, some people squeeze it like this. The fingers are in the front, but please make sure the thumb should come in the front. Thumb is always in the front, not the fingers. Step number 4, the tongue should touch the roof of the mouth or the palate. Like this, tongue to the palate. Left hand, right ear, right hand, left ear, tongue to the palate, and now we are almost ready to start the exercise. Step number 5, left hand, right ear, right hand, left ear, tongue is ready on the palate, and now we're going to start the exercises. We need to do this 14 times. Yes, 14 times facing the direction of east. So when we go down, we need to breathe in, and when we come up, we need to breathe out. So let's get started. Legs slightly wide apart, and total 14 number of times facing direction of east. Here's a side view. This will help you understand what is the kind of foot position that you need to have with respect to the floor. Left hand right here, and now I'm starting going down. You need to breathe in. So we're going down now. Watch this. Some people go down completely like this. This is not the right one. So what you need to do is watch carefully. This is the right one. You are not supposed to be flat. You are supposed to be on your toes. This is the one. I'll do a couple of them. Yeah. Remember, when you go down, you need to breathe in, and when you come back up, you need to exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. That's the step. The last step is use your palm, keep it on your forehead and check. You'll be surprised. You'll see a slight increase in temperature, and that's the proof. Though this exercise involves the entire body, but it's the brain that is getting charged. That's the reason why it's called as Super Brain Yoga. Most important, this is a very powerful exercise. It should never be done after noon. Best time for this is in the morning, and since it energizes our brain so much, once you do it somewhere post lunch or in the evening, night, it should never be done, because you will find it very hard to sleep. It energizes, increases the mental energy so much that you will find it very hard to sleep. So the best time to do this is in the morning. 14 is a recommended number. Slowly you can escalate. You can go into the multiple number of 7. So this was Super Brain Yoga. Do not leave home without.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. Which I need to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel, and please do comment.